Good morning, children. I'm Kaisen sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Bisan School. In previous class, I have discussed chapter numbers. Today also we have to continue the same topic, numbers only. So numbers today I will complete this one, numbers. See, in companion book, page number 5. See, open your companion book, page number 5. Second one, already first sum completed. The second sum, she earned rupees 3,530 on Monday, rupees 1,977 on Tuesday, and rupees 3,011 on Wednesday. About how much did she earn? About how much did she earn? Approximately. Observe here, she earned 3,530 on Monday. So 3,530. So nearest to thousands, that is equal to the 4,000 is the nearest. Next, 1,977 nearest to 1,000 is 2,000 plus 3,011 nearest to 1,000 is 3,000. So that is equal to, so rupees 9,000 rupees is the she earned. Okay, so this is the approximated value. Okay, children, I hope you understood very well. Okay, next third one I will tell. Note down, children. This is next third one, at the end of exhibition, at the end of exhibition, Rita earned rupees 8,518. She had spent rupees 2,499 to buy gifts and to set up stall. What is the estimate of her profit? What is estimate of her profit. Okay, see. At the end of the exhibition, Rita earned rupees 8,518. She had spent 2,499. That means, so first of all, to buy gifts to set up stall, what is the estimate of her profit? Always profit means how much she has spent. Okay, so we have to do addition or subtraction. How much she earned, that amount minus how much she had spent, that amount we have to subtract, then only we can get the profit. Okay, so this is 9,000. So 9,000 is the, we have to round up nearest to the thousands. For 8,518, that is equal to 9,000. 9,000 minus, so nearest 1,000, so 2,499, not 500, 2,499. So nearest thousands, that is equal to 2,000 only. So 2,000, so that is equal to rupees 7,000. Okay, children. So this is the third one solution. I hope you understood very well. Okay, children, note down. Next, last, in open once your studio book. All of you open your studio book. See, studio page number 34. Studio page number 34. Whole numbers, see, whole numbers. W is equal to what we can write, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay, so this is next. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, next. In this Indian system of numeration, this is the concept map. This is the concept map. Indian system of numeration. Next, here international system of numeration. Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Next. Okay, children, first you note down these two. Next, Indian system of numeration place value tables, place value table, place value table of the Indian system. Next, place value of the international system. Place value of the international system. Okay. Next. So first of all, ones. So in this ones to tens to hundreds, ones to tens to hundreds. Next, thousands. Thousands. So thousands to 10,000s. So ones means 1,000s. Okay. So thousands, 10,000s. That means T 10,000s. Ones 1,000s. T 10,000s. Okay. Next to lakhs. Same here also. Ones means 1 lakhs. Tens means 10 lakhs. Next, crores. Ones means 1 crores. Tens means 10 crores. Okay. Next, international system of numeration. In this ones. So here also ones to tens to hundreds. Next, thousands. Ones to tens to hundreds means 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Thousands, 10,000, 1,000 means thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Next, millions. 1 millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay. So this is the way we have to do this. Okay. Ones to tens to 100, that means thousands, 1,000s, 10,000s. Here 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore. So in this ones to thousands, millions periods, okay, place values ones to tens to 100, ones 1,000s, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Next billions, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billions, like this. Understood? Okay. Note down. Next to see this example 876 23 0021. Ones to tens to 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh 10 lakh, crore 10 crore. So 87 crore 62 lakh 30,021. Okay, so 87 crore 62 lakh 62 lakh 30,000 21 and 21. This is Indian system of numeration. Okay children, note down. Okay, so this is the one box left hand side. Okay, same ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So 876 million 876 million 230,000 30,000 and 21. So this is the international system of numeration. Okay children, next note down this one. Next at last the last one, examples of large numbers, examples of large numbers, 9 digit in real life. So first, population of country, this is the best example. Population of country, this is the best example. Next, distance between planets, distance between planets. Next, number of votes cast in an election, number of votes cast in an election. So these three are the best examples. Okay children, once I will show this particular table how to write. So I hope you understood very well. So this is the today's my class. Today we have completed the numbers topic also. So what is today's homework? Studio book, page number 34. Completely you have to do practice, and companion page number 5, 1E, these two. Children, in studio book page number 34, concept map is there, the relation between whole numbers to natural numbers. That one you have to do practice today's. Page number 34, numbers, whole numbers to natural numbers, and Indian system of numeration one side, international system of numeration another side. Just you have to do concept map. And this is page number 34, and companion page number 5, 1E. Already previously one sum you have completed, the second sum and third sum, the two sums also you have to do practice. So this is the work, you have to do this in your homework book. As well as you are writing the classwork in studio and companion also. For this everything I will send you PDF file also. Still if you have any doubt, once you see the PDF file and note down. Until that you don't write anything. If you have any doubt, through video if you can write down, no problem. Children, so anyhow better to see the PDF file also. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody. Again next class we will meet, and then I will start the second lesson, factors and multiples. Children, thank you everybody.